My people, how na dey? If una just think say I wan insult Izegbe, una just wrong. Una know say for my platform they no dey insult, eh? So una not come here. If wetin I dey talk una not like am, eh? Una go another platform. Megui, I know the verse. My brothers and sisters, I dey see everywhere. Yawamwere. Me I use Benin with the other. Me I use a broken journal. Everywhere they catch fire. I say no. I know they talk for now. Me I feel wait. Nakala gbogbo me ne. I want to just zola. Even now self not be ezo. May we talk. We all are matured. They say travel is a part of education. Travel is a part of education. My brothers and sisters, this one is my opinion. If you not like her, no problem. It's sell If you still like her, it's sell Una know say me, I know they insult anybody. I will try to talk to you. If you like, you take. If you not like, now your own. Now so me be. I know come here, come they insult your father, insult your mother, insult her, then send you message. No. So my brothers and sisters, I see this thing of Izegbe. This guy they make me they laugh more than not verse Una feel me like I they like me I they laugh. Then go see person and you they iwa me but na when no. All tell them you gear all tell them you smile jo. If I see a video I they smile, I just they look and they laugh. I say, oh, this girl you want use laugh take keep people. Wetin me I see for Izegbe thing Una know say for this social media. Either you come with saga, may you for sell, or you come with other thing. Now thing she they do, she they do her thing, and Facebook will not they do kwe yo Man, no get sense. Some of not be all of them. Some of them they don't even get sense. I will report you. Facebook wait tell her say carry on, They not notice say they know they see what she they do. They see what she they do. They say me right down, Happy New Year. Kate, Happy New Year. Selogbe. Facebook don't see what she they do. They will say right down. Problem not there. Why some of our people, no say Izegbe talk her age. Who be that one now? Hello? Hello? Yeah, who be that? Hello? I bet more than no verse. Una not me I even command this thing self. Una no waiting. When Facebook tell you say carry on, say we see what you they do. Our people then because they still say they not feel report and they not feel bring and down. So now the girl, okay, you know, me I just start from this side because I they watch something where they happen. When I see say they tell and say okay, me the girl not they do abandon one with social media. Okay, the girl even respect them. Mona listen because I follow and small, not be all like that. I follow small. He respect them. He can't go private. He go the do one for them. If you want me, or magin yazin they follow in yash. Hello, be that. Hello, good morning. Yeah, who be that? No, it's a wrong number, No problem, bye-bye. More than no verse, my people. More than no verse, Me, I could come off the line, self. Me, I offer. So, the guy carry and go private. Go the do for them. You know, say our people, busybody or he worry in ya. Busybody to the worry then. They follow the girl, go bring the video, come out. Who can be the useless and shameless person? Not be una way they share and way carry on. If not say me come out for social media. He come out for there. He go open another place. He go put on for there. So many people come they pay. She go the do for there. Una go there. Na follow am. Wana lele. Na cut am. Na carry am come. Na come they share am for social media. Not be una useless pass. Travel is a part of education. Una no get sense. If person so una no get sense, una said it dey cost me. I not be mate so. This Izegbe, he talk her age that day. Now with my mommy last born, they go they drag age. I'll come out now. I'll come they insult her. If the girl can't insult me tomorrow, I'll come they cry. I mean egbe me gwalo emie. Na so na. Una no get sense. Small pikin. Una tell am, he respect una. He carry am go private. Una follow am for nyash. Una go find the video, carry come they put am for social media. No be una come worse pass. Na worse pass, na the truth me they talk, because me I dey watch. I say me I dey watch and they look and they look am. I can say, what did this guy they do? He respect una, he come out. He carry am go. Una go bring am. Na come they share am. Say see the way chiche they do am for there. Oyibo they still they do these things so. Oyibo they still they do am. They do am. Better wow. Una just change everything. Una go turn now upside down, which is very bad. He respect una. Una for cut am for now. Una think say now everybody respect person. Not say some people if you tell now, yeah, we the were worst. He go do am worst. He come out, he go another side. Una go carry am come. Una come dey share and say see wetin they do, see wetin no they do. Una no dey respect una self. Una still dey respect una self. Okay, let's see this our sister now. Waiting they call her Ivie Rio. See Ivie Rio. You come out. You know they advise person. Me, I never see where she they advise person. Mona no vessel. I never watch video where she they advise. You go say, I will not back. I go tell you say I be a goja for Bini. I go tell you say I be name you for Bini. What thing? I go tell you say now so we fed the do for Bini. Not be so we tell who be this one now. I beg. I go tell you say now so we fed the do for Bini. Now so they tell the advice person. If you want advice, because not be your sister self. Even your own sister self. You get where you go advice and reach. You get where you go advice and reach. Go tell you say la wo go. A life in no. Don't disturb me. You understand? Even your own pikin where you born, you go carry you know say if person don't reach 18 years, a advice if you advise and take good. If you advise and not take, you go forget. You don't do your own. Let me say you go say, you go carry papa, we go beat him like this. You carry mama, we go beat him, we go beat him. If papa send a message, I be mama send a message. Even you where even they call social media, they not send you message. And they hate that thing. If you want to talk to a person, talk to her. Not put it papa, not put it mama, not put it sister, not put it brother. Talk to that person. And nobody be baby, Nobody be baby. If you advise me, I take. Good. Now wait till them my mind. Now make me take her. Not because of your advice. So. No. I wear a guama guari. Even no no. Now wait till they mind. You just say, okay, me, I just take her. Not be saying that because of the advice where you advise her. Or not to take her. No. He carry that girl come. He guy walk back. The girl say now you say, na Elise ke ya sin one wo you say here. You know if you call and say I don't can carry you say maybe we go be brother, we be sister. If na you we social media, ya we be your way. You wait say you be sister. You can't dey carry say you go beat papa, you go beat mama. They send a message, I be they even send you the way you they do for social media. They not even send you. And now after the insult, she go private. I they watch and small. Not be say I know they even they look because me I know they pretend say I know they watch live video. I they watch some. If you not too long, I go watch them. If you too long now, I know they watch. I see when they attack her, the girl come out, he go private. Then follow you na lele when he say peke. Aya get me no vani. Who was disgrace? Who was disgrace? Or even know. And one thing, Lisa Ogbede, my boyfriend. You understand? Now single girl, where get picking. Anything where you like, may use the life to do for now. Then later, if you change, I mean, I'm not changing. Now what is she like? Because the mon wayata me we not doing. The mon ya not be people they watch her. Now people they even they watch her. Una se mona no watch again. Eva ni ana bonse. Before she go plug ganya vun eva ni ne. Mareba ni abi ave way or eva. Not be people they watch and people they watch her. So if una want make small pikin no they insult una, mona they respect una self. There are a way run na ya gwa without insulting the parents, insulting you cannot carry, insulting person way near. Talk to her. Even though to insult that person, you no need to insult her. I not come here come say, Lindsay, you be gods. Lindsay, you be enemy. Oh, what did they breed that one? Eh? Even though say we be age mates, I not go do one. I even they see some self where even was past this Ogbede. I just they look and just say, oh God, now wow, wait be all this. Una we supposed to keep quiet now. Come they talk. We don't see all the video before. Eh? I respect this girl, really. I respect her because Omare no can curse anybody. If they do her thing, eh? If they do her thing, if you like, you wash her. If you not like her, you come on for that. Eh? You feel advise person. If he take good, if she not take, you go come on for that. Eh? Not be say you just come out, you call is certain. You say you want advice her. It never happened for me. It never happened to me. Say I want advice person. I'll just first of all. Before no. God forbid bad thing. They not use and take train me. Everybody gets your life to live. Eh? Travel is a part of education. Eh? If you want advice person, you go call her, advise her. If he take good, if he not take, eh? If you not take, okay no, eh? Man not be people there for road, eh? People there for road. You are no born, you no where we done. Una say una not sit down. One probably not the bed. The one where she can't do now, na can't see. Wanna leave her. Now tell her in the mature way say, Lizzie, where the aje wujo, if na brezan pint, you see where in the way. Go they do one because I waiting here key, eh? If you dey say ekusu na ye ekusu ekpo, if you dey say mama ekpo, wa odizoko, una way. Let it go dey do a mature way. And one hour we go kill you or we go do this one, we go do that one. No. Eh? Any respect no toro no teri you know your way ya sin no. Oh yeah sin no kwa. Because if some people really they get this opportunity, yeah, we're not sorry. Therefore, do the worst one. Yeah, we're not worse. What if she's my sister? Come here, I tell you. If she be my sister, even though say na my own pikin where I born, me I tell you, maybe na Nigeria you dey, problem not there. The pikin where you born, you get where you go advise and reach. Who see I? You not know? You get where you go advise pikin where you born. He go come tell you, say, you mind your business. You never know. Okay. If na my sister, I go tell her and say, what you they do so? He man like her every journey. I not like her. They dress well now. If I talk, you know, yeah, what I go do? You don't buy your terry where you journey. No. Or I will come say not be me born. More na even the reason. Before you ask that question, say, what if na my sister uncle? If na my sister, the same thing. As I tell the talk, so I will carry on sit down, go talk to her. If she want take, she go take. I mean, you say if na my sister, okay, I go cut a hand, cut a leg because if they do anyhow. No, I don't do that one. Unu no man, ya go. The amount where you get now, you take talk to person. If the person want take, he just want take can. Nothing say na your advice na make can come. No, he just want take can. Because everybody we be mature, we get our brain. We get our brain, you know. Everybody get their brain. I make they talk say once person don't be 18 years, you not get even in mama we born, you not get right again. You feel advice, you not feel control. You feel advice, you not feel control. Because when the thing you come too much, like say picking where you born now. When you see say you don't be disturbing too much and you dey inside your house for there, it go carry it, something, it go carry a load, it go rent house where you know for the scene. So no, now be that one. Because they talk say, oh, they bring Benin people down. You know they bring any Benin people down. You know they bring any Benin people down. When I feel talk say they bring herself down. If she thinks say she they bring herself down, not be Benin people. Because Benin people yamagi on now what she like, now she they do. Now what she like, now she they do. She know they bring any Benin people down, they bring Benin people down. If you know they talk that thing, the thing go they vex me. You go say they bring Benin people down. Don't tell you say they bring Benin people down. Now every Benin people now they do what she they do. No. Now what I mean no or wow. Now what she like. What then they call you self Dangote. Anyway, my brothers and sisters, now know wetin. If you get sister where they misbehave, you go advise them. If you not take, why where who wear your twin? You know if you talk say your twin. Of course, now you go only talk to a person, but anybody at all you fit talk to her. Anybody if you talk to that person, if the person take good, or man take it, well, you go leave am. No need go say, I go carry your papa ass, I go destroy him. Ija, waiting. I go carry your mama, I go beat him. I go do this one, I go do that one. Who we what fear angel? So my brothers and sisters, may we mind our business. Advise people good. That girl now, he carry himself go private. More than not they disturb bank. If not home all with money. Because me, I believe say many of them they don't go report her page. Facebook go say no, we know they do. We know what she they do for them because now no say Facebook now. If you do anyhow, what they not like, they go come out to your page. But they not come out time because they still say if they follow their rule. So if they follow their rule, so more na mad on a business, make small pikin no like me now. Me I not like make small pikin they insult me. If I like I not like not because of say I don't want make she insult me now do this one. No, because I be matured woman. I know my brain. I know wetin good, wetin not good. I feel advise you. If you like, you take. If you not like, now you're Like say she people they do anyhow, go still come. I not insult her. I go talk to her and say, my sister they do like this now. Like go, you know say, I go still put her. One thing where people not know. If you want tell person, not command person. Nobody be your baby, nobody be your slave. Especially when person, even though say na small pikin, not command anybody. La go carry you go many places. Make she enter us. Or make you go carry and enter us now. Many of una where they talk say make person enter us. Una the thing I go just the look and say una get brain. Who you want drive enter house? Even your pikin. If you drive am for outside, he go follow backyard come out. If you drive am, nobody fit drive anybody. Unless na person just say, I beg, I know they do again. Me I enter his house. I don't want again. There was a mention enter his house. Nobody fit enter his house. No be you they buy. No be you they pay in network where wetin they use in network no use what pay no be you they feed them make she go learn work now no be make she go learn work. If you do now you give her work where she go they learn. People where they talk like this I will just like me now like me I they watch some video. If I just watch and see what they talk I say okay me I listen. If I see say I don't want to listen I'll come up from there. When I not go there, go the insult her. Maybe you enter his house. When I feel they talk to her in a way, my sister they doing like this now. Maybe you go still pick for that comment. Okay, this person say me I they do. Okay, maybe I go do one like this. Okay, maybe I go still do one like that. You understand? If you insult her, you just the worst her. And innocent no, innocent do na. Innocent anybody. Not send anybody. So if you not say you not like what they talk, maybe you just they go. Wait till they call you. Who can be the mumu? Me, I will block. No, say me, I'm on another verse. So maybe some people wait there, they never know. I they block where. I know they find viewers. I they block where. Wait till they call you. B David. Who be that mumu? Now you have been another person they talk to because I they block. I don't just send you at all. Because me, as I know my, when you know your right, when you know your right, nobody fit tell you what you go do. Nobody. I'll still see some people now, they'll say, this one that they're doing for that thing, for that side. Whether they marry for the country where you dey. Me, I feel quick, just to this one. Whether they give the ring for the country where you dey, you can't misbehave for social media. Are you okay? Are you okay? The country where you there, then they give them, then they put ring for their hand, like husband and wife, they go work them. Now me you come dey shout for social media say, make una not dey do that on our side again oh. Make una not waiting. Your break correct? Eh? One of the reason if una dey talk, one see dey talk and say, I say make this person not dey do this thing, but the country where I did, then they wed them, then they even they let them make they adopt pikin. Huh? Because una not even know the law where even hold on herself. I go block her if I see. I not block. If I see this thing again, I go block her because I know they like rubbish. If you not like the truth, you come out. You understand? Like me now, they like person where they talk truth. I know just come. I can't tell you say those people where the woman where they go together. Una be this one, una be that one, una be this one. Una no say they feel sooner. They feel sooner because una don't know anything. Anybody would like una job bring. I they see I think last year they just they bring picture. This one, they be woman. They do this one. Yeah, me cannot sue. They go chop on her head. Hell, now not say that they protect them. Now not know the law where they protect those people. Now just they do anyhow. Now come social media. Now come they vibrate. Now just they shout. Now not know anything. So Lord they. So Lord day where you not know because person our own our baby sana rotin someone not they come they do all this nyama thing Mona they leave people for their private where they keep una leave something if they leave something for them now go they carry go they share now come be the ozwo where they the mugu now come be the mugu Mona leave anything where like he do now not see he get one video where I watch for our own. You know, see, I say he call the mother, be mother call her. The mother can't tell her say the agent is your. You can't tell the mother say, okay, I go they do one like this, go they do one like this. Now so, now so, if you are advice person, you go take. Dan why ya some was one be. Some people that's what they be. Instead of them to talk to you, they go insult you. They go say want to talk to you. He go insult you. He go say they talk to you. Na me they talk. Who go general na me they talk so. Na me. I greet you happy new year. I block you, Me I block this fool. Me I don't fair tell you. Okay, like you now, I don't even want me I call your name. Like you now where they talk say your kids will they will be like his young tomorrow. Come here and tell you one thing. If you born now, whether you get pikin, your pikin can't tell you say, "Uya ziemi jo ni sinye, uya gbe wa where you where." Are you mad? Me I they block all these bad head people. Are you mad? You feel talk to person, you not feel insult am. You understand? Don't worry life for any. Be like say not be me they talk to. This one say. Enter if you not get topic. Now the topic are the thought. So me I block you, Bonnie, Pepper them. Me I block you. I don't need you for a year. Block. Bye. I don't need you because you decrease. Who you want? Now inside my when I check last 5 minutes. Now inside my house I did. As I see the talk, so now inside my house I did. I did your house. You decrease. I did your house when I did my own house. More than the respect on yourself, una not need insult. Person go do it thing for private, una go carry a compo for here. I go block her if I see her. I go block that name where you call yours now. May if I come. We go general. We go talk now. We go talk. we go talk. I even call you. You not even can reply me again. We go talk. Una no understand. Una dey leave people. Wa say me if una not leave people problem, una no fit to government. Na so cost una go dey receive. If you support criminal, I will be. May I block you, thunder fire you. May I just block her. I don't block her. I don't block that Tomozo. I don't block her. You know, if you like, you support anybody where you like. Anybody where you like, you are free. Not the craze. Anybody, you please support anybody where you like. Now you go tell me person where I want support. But on your dag bon me, I be now you get my brain for me. What did they worry some people say? Anybody where I like, I support. No be you go tell me say, I better support this person. I better not support him. I better hate him. I better beat him. One year when nonsense. If you not like, you not support anybody you not like. I feel talk and say, I hear, bro. I fit talk and say anybody wey una wan talk to, you go talk to them, no insult am. You go talk to them. If you like, you take. I think na 2 years ago, now we dey talk to one person. The person agree change. Not be the same, it still be. Now wetin dey for your brain, now you go take do something. Omo agu, I'm na advise you. If you like, you take. If you not like, now you know. See the video where she do that, they say her mother, her mother call her. E just go egwani. Ona be dog, okay, this one is my mother. Okay, I go see they put on something. Not be the one I go they do, now go they beat person. I go carry papa house, I go destroy him. I go carry mama, I go beat him. Then send a message. Even your own mother send you message. Even the one where me they do the talk, so send me, nobody. If you want advance person for social media, advance him. If you don't want advance him, leave him. Make they do it thing. Because the thing, they'll come, they say, oh yeah, we don't they cost me. I not be made. See, you not know say you not be made before you go there. You not know say you not be made before you start to the insult her. Who they take that nonsense? Even small picking, your small, even your baby self, you insult her tomorrow, go tell you say, not be me you they talk to. Oh why moha? How we're not here bonny 1 year bo. Now not get sense. Mona still buy sense for this 2021. Walao, mona still buy, mona put. Some people, if they want just carry people matter, the way they don't take carry, you they think say maybe then they quarrel before. Who they ask that question? Mama, are you married? Of course, I'm married for 25 years. If you want to know, maybe you know now. Maybe you'll be newcomer. 25 years, married. I'm married to Italian man for 25 years. If you want to know. I don't want me to reply you because as you write on. I be married woman. So now be that one. Some people, if they carry a person matter, the way we don't take sit down, where we think bagui, you say they don't the quarrel state. I see how babu I will say, na quarrel, na fait de quarrel. Yes, how bad you are. Say, wait till be all this kind of thing. If you want to talk to person, I beg with calm. You come down, talk to them. If the person want to take your advice, maybe get what you be the talk where that person be collect for inside though. As you come the curse and I go say no, you go come fire you back. Maybe something where you be the talk for inside that your message. Something there where she be collect. Then where you more of any, do tiag better be go say how dare you are. Who say you may you say you want to go destroy my father's house? So now be that one, my brothers and sisters. If you not get brain, mona, if you not get mona, go back, mona put. So I not call here, call insult his yengbe. Mona not say, hey, why you not insult his yengbe? Na mature girl. Ogbe 18 years in As I'll say talk to my son, my son we don't pass 18 years. That's why I will say talk to them. That's how I'll say talk to them. I'll carry and sit down, go talk to them, say this thing don't like this now. You know say no good. It not me say go take It not me say that advice where you want tell and say go take because they get their own brain. Now I make we the talk say when you are 18 years, you are anything where you do, you go answer for yourself. No worry. In Abulele, no worry. I understand you. You just ask. You know me. Not be say you insult me. You ask me. I reply you. You don't mean anything. You know, say some people don't know whether I'm married, whether I'm not married. You don't say I don't married for 25 years. Don't marry. So now be that one. I understand. So now be that one. Small picking. You go advise her. You go advise because you know say never age or get married. You go carry and sit down. They put on for your head. They advise and go come take. But once or you don't reach 18. It don't get to your brain. If you talk too much, you go tell you say you dey disturb am. You go say live my life for me. Make I live. Make you live your own. Make I live my own. If you really go sit down, go look and you say not true. Why I want to command your life? Nobody command my own. Say do one like this, do one like that, do one like that. No. Advice they different. To command person. So I beg my brothers and sisters. So if you don't want to advise people, more than they advise them, more than not they command them. And more than not just say, we go find your papa, we go beat your mama, we will go do this one because they not send a message. They not still send you. Now so they not still send you. Now so now. If you sit down, look and say people wait there for social media, nobody send their message. Now they get up say one day like this, say I want start to they do live video. Now they start to they do. Eh? You still see some they respect themselves. Some not they respect themselves, they don't care. I bet my brothers and sisters see. I don't want me to take on time too much because it was from her private. And now they go pick her now. I know now. Now they go pick her, which is very bad. Our people they do that thing, eh? Yeah, man, see where boluane. Yes, we are. It's very bad. Una no go where person put something private. Una go carry and come. Una come they share am. Una see so na get sense. Now they fool una self. Eh? If you sit down think and say person carry some people for private, I go bring am come. Una come make am popular. People will never even know am before they can't know. Oyibo they do these things. Oyibo then they do. I mean I tell una one thing. Oyibo maybe some people they never even know. Oyibo they go marry. If you not know Sunday, Oyibo they go marry. Husband and wife they get children. They get children. The wife go the. Go do all love your coat be away. Other fine of your love your coat be of your love your coat away. They put on for contracts. What you do for that side, not tell me. What that one do for that side, not tell this one. It there, if you not send a lie, mona check. It there, where, and they love themselves where. Then now what they like, now they do. Now what they like. But if we black, they do that kind of thing. Not not their life. Not their life. Now what they like? Anything where you like, do with your life. Do and where. I just no me. I they live my own you they live your. That's what me I see on my brothers and sisters. If you know say you not saying like that, now you go carry headache. What you can move away. If he's here, my blood sister, the same thing. He can wear because he's able to do something. I can't shame. What is Ogbama wa? Abito yara. Ogbama wa. Omayara. All these things where we just they do. If you get belly, if you go hospital, anya ya just talk. I beg wear closer or cover or do this one or no. If we carry something, we just do like say, if na me bagbondeno. Wa me kwa amwe khere. Why I call you amwe khere. Have a mwekere, have a where because that one where they do where they go cut the video, come they carry and they put for social media. Me I not just like because they Facebook or now where Facebook for blocker. Now understand? If for blocker, but you put on for this thing because it be like so now they even they watch all this blue film. Because all this one where they go they carry video, go they share. Now new thing there for blue film. If you want it there for social media, there for the watch. All the new thing, more not they carry something. Me run out and then we maja my we not they talk about that one. We they talk about Ziegbe this one, Ziegbe that one. You not call on name now they call name. As soon as this guy say do I too like her. If he curse anybody, or was so it be straight and direct. If he curse anybody, or walk here, any more break, a bunny more break. Because he not call on name, now they call her. No, go call her. If you just come out and say, bokbanya inoragbo na no ira noragbo no reimi. Iga ka sekeniaje, boni atiena. Igo se me come back to her. Ima ka jo ye. Iya when ya gbe me kweku. That person will carry that video. Hell, if not me is yegbe, oh boy, get over liary. Now try to tell you because what you put for private. How you know go they carry? Why I mujo? Now make me like that lady. That lady wait there for Bejo. I not remember her name. And you know my way na well na more boring ya gele we dan na mo gbegbe yen ma wu. That near bonagbe. People they talk say juju not they do anything. Juju not they do. Who tell you say juju not they do? Like this is diegbe o. Or when you mu now when you mu rizabo. Ato woman alone man your body dan. Why and where gele boy gele iro. Not true too, because we now want too much. You want too much. O mama second waje, why ga gwa lawyer, why ga see your ball, why see your way. O mama second waje. Why so very Even though say na your pikin self, you talk to her. Or are you good? Oh man, are you know if you talk say from today you not be my pikin again. Eh? Some people, like those one where they ask me, say, if not your pikin, your uncle, your pikin go constantly do. If my pikin want do a blue film, I go tell them say not do blue film. Why they name why? I don't know why. You get one news where they want that day. This person not be say they look for money. Oh, he get money. He just I think when he just reach 18 years, now he tell his family say, from today one can they do blue film. He tell if family say from today na blue film na you go come dey do. Iya mak pe yo more. Iya mak pe yo more. So more na the reason before na dey do something. Na so me I dey talk my because me I no understand some of una wey just dey una say he must enter house, he must go this one, he must do this one. Abeg more na suffering Even your own pikin, you know, tell and say you must enter herself. Thank you, Joe. You know, tell and say you must enter us. Someone are not they write that thing for person pay, say you must enter us. You know they command anybody, you know they feed anybody, you know they pay the person internet. And there was there no be. So you must enter us. More than they put on for another place. No, they put on for person come and say you must enter us. You know they shame. You know they do this one. What did they call you, Rita? Me and you tell you. You pray me my son or my daughter make them do blue film. When you go no raw, wow, warrior benuka o. You pray me them do. If they say they want to do one, I go accept them straight and direct. I not carry my head knock war. Wazua. If my son say one can't do blue, I can't tell and say you not get right to do one. Now me, I born now. I just born. Una not get sense. Now that thing then they make me the vex for una. I born now. You know me say na me get a money dag bonge. Not be me get a life for her. I go advise her. If you take good, if you not take, you are still my son. You are welcome. Now some people like una let they abandon na children. Now say, after today, me I block her. Me I block that stupid Rita. Because he not get sense. Me I block her. Me not come here again. Because now just let's go. People like this Rita. Me I not even they call the name. Say, now they throw away pikin. I don't block her, my people. Now people like them, then they throw away pikin. Omo no bear pikin where you born now. It no mean say now you get a life for her. One na they put her for his hand and brain for na get. That woman where just the whether na woman whether na man no. He say he pray me my. If my son say he want do one, I go tell him say he not do. I feel advise him. If I tell him say no do one, I not like her. Okay, I tell him say me I not like her. He go do one. I go beat him. Cool. Now, what for now? I mean, I don't understand though. I know say some people they not get brain. I don't block that one. I don't block her. I don't block her. I was contact say now, okay, as you can't do this thing now, you not be my son again. I mean, na yakbe orije kwaregbe. Anything where your pikin want to become, now still your own. Now still the mother still be. Anything where your mother, now still your mother. Or I go say, okay, my pikin they do blue film now from today. You not be my pikin again. God forbid bad things. I go advise you take. If you not take, you are on your own. I go accept what you bring come. Now so some people even they do and say, you go say you not married woman where I like. So I front no. Some women they who because you not accept you not married the woman where you like. You go say you go come the quarrel with you. God forbid bad thing. So my brothers and sisters, anything where your pikin tell you say you want become tomorrow, as far as say don't be 18 years, advise her. If you like it, take. If you not like, now see your own. I don't block the useless there. Whether na girl, whether na boy, I don't block her. Now see your pikin. Who can wear do we me na ni front today? Who yo mo? Who yo vi me? Money na do. Ana do am we your hands there no gbo we back where you. Are you mad? I be your head not correct. Where I brought for you, then they married, then they put their ring, then they put ring for their hand. Then they marry, then they put ring. Here the ring jo. As me, I marry, so I marry to man. Now so man and a man they marry. Now so woman they marry. For abroad where we dey. What you boto wazo bebani? Where say Joe? Not my those Genje people when their brain not correct. I know say they will still go to say, hey, Otasheba mama don't support Elizio. If I support her, what it can be your headache? Not be private if I do the video. I be can't do it for your platform. Not private if I do it. Someone lead the poor girl. May they do it in they go. Tomorrow, when she go change, you go know say I don't change. Have you noticed a person not they change for life? Or not they changing now? You'll see some people where don't they thief. I wear amioji gera. Nothing we not go fit thief. Nothing. Okay, ya fin. But once they say, okay, I don't change. You go can't change. You don't believe you are go say, you really change? Yes, people, I want change if I go now. Person they change. You just see person where just the sad juju, Hey, the juju put her for head, put her for leg. He go use until they sleep. But one day, he go just get up, go say, I don't change. Really change, oh. He go just change. You will go the thing, say, not be that person. I'm your man, change. I'm your man, change. No mind them, bro. I'm your man, change the life now. So that's why I just say me, I just see tell you nourish. Which one? No, at the block well. This one say, wait till you talk. You say you are not a good woman. Me, I block you. I don't get your time. At the block well. Bye bye. I don't block you. I don't block you. I don't get your time. You wait call good now. May you go advice and may take your advice. Abi you not know say if you advise person now what he like. Not be your advice he go take. Now what he like he go still they do. Many of them need to their brain because their brain they use and say knock war. Any winner. They use and say knock war. So a brain winner. Even though say they go just see something say na A B D C. This thing na A, they go to tell you say na B. They follow you, they judge you and say na B. Nothing. If you're better on why you are one or not do a fourth one. Nothing when you say wash dog nose, you can't the white. It don't black. Their bread don't do. It don't go. So now be that one. Any insult for here, you make nyama, you insult his yengbe, I go block your head. I don't get time. I know they support people like that, I know they support people like that when you go to insult person. Now your life if they use no. May I block this evil? I don't block you. I don't even call your name. I don't block you. They go. When I know say me I they block. People where they find viewers where they call they watch now not they block. Me wa block. I go just the press and the thing they sweet me, As you they drop and go the press her. I don't block her. I don't block that one. Go they sweet me because people where use their head say now I know they like them. One of they lead people life. One of they lead people life. Was seeing any and live a life in ya. One of live there. Some people go say we want to use that. We want to turn ourselves to Igbo. Now some people they tell say what your Igbo they do now we black on they do. Igbo not better pass. No, they not better pass us. Where we call wrong come their country. One of not verse say I use that language say they better pass us. What I mean? They get light we not get. They get good road we not get. Then yeah mama say my very own. That make me use that words. So some people come they use that parable. We want come they behave so both people say they behave. They get good hospital we not get. They get good road we not get. They get many things we not get. So mona not the fool na self. Mona they see the fool and as mona go buy brain. 2021 mona go buy sense. Mona put for na sense. Mona go buy mona put. I know say some people now they go call use live video when they insult their head. I know they mind on now because now the truth is they pay on now. I know the mind, I know the reply any nonsense. I know the reply, don't pass. People wait there, they come and they see the insult is here, but they look and say, see this one. You wait, they fool yourself yesterday. Now you come they insult person. Why you not sit down, make you advise and say, my sister, make they do it like that now. They do it this way. You just come out. You just the insult and now you know whether I return to good things or bad things. Now you know. Anyhow way you like and call am. Anyhow way you like and call am. People like una way they talk about that business. Now they hope pikin for their wife. Go say, may go road, may go find money come. They not they do and I know they do. People like you where you they talk, so I don't want even call your name. If you talk again, I will block you again. Now they hope pikin. You go say your wife, oh yeah, go there, may you go work. You go work, come and go say how much you bring come. Not there. Now they talk that one. Any worst is say, okonoro wodo. Other friend don't mange ne. And you go hola. You go there. You go even ask and say, what about that your man? On your worst is say, this one a single girl now. Anything we like he can do. He not be like person we never marry. He go get 4 boyfriends. He go get 3 boyfriends. Once you don't say yes I do, you go close your leg. Not be so. Abu na one come still talk and say nobody, any single girl, now only one boyfriend and the friend. Well, they mean no be friend, they one boyfriend. All they are do fiam bonokpa. Anything where you like, you do because you dey single. Anything where you don't do, it don't pass when you want to come marry. This is it when I they talk about now. Now I just see one famous from America where he get money. He go just come say one marry Zegbe. Awe wu one nyai very na why I know you talk, why I buy? You go just come and say, I need that girl. I want marry her. I feel me. I beg they block them. They block them. If I see her, they block her where. They block her where. If I just see them, let's say I don't see the comment. He wapi He they sweet me as I they block her. Wow, bakai. Only a bad. So more respect when I say. When I just say this is Yegbe. Oh, I know what they important person. Go say, yes, I need that girl. Everything what you don't do before, I not care. Or you lawa. Why do be zing God do fear any anti and Ferrari Lexus? Why you know? I beg. So all these things, una advise person good than to the insult and more bomb and you want be we got ever never any azigo, you gonna ya be was zoya. And then you just be you did there, you not did there. So why you can't insult person when no insult you? More not the insult person when no insult you now. Especially when you know say your age don't still go small. No. Not be so waiting that they call you. Not be say if people talk their mind. You get the way where you could talk your own. You understand? I know they block like that. Like that one where you call yourself just now, I block her. I know, you know, since I never block you now, I don't want to call your name, you know yourself. I not block you now. But if you can't insult his name, or you can't insult me, I go block you. My platform, they know the insult. Now that one. If you like, make your comments, do your own. But not use and tell insult anybody, you are free. But if you can't use and tell the insult person where they talk to, I will block you. Not be today I start and don't say. If I they talk to a person, they insult that person, I will block you. Or me where they talk, so you can't insult me, I will block you. So now that one for them. So now be that one. So my brothers and sisters, if you want advance person, more than the advance, why you got here, but you are not causing. It no make sense. It no make sense. May you sit down, may you still take and say, okay, I want to advise this person. He can want here, but no. I go advise you, I come up for them. If I don't want to advise you, I go they look you, what it concern me. Because you know even send me, I can't advise yourself. And you not send me. But if I feel like, I'll say, okay, may I see talk. This one don't see right another one. So now be that one, my brothers and sisters, because I believe say many people they say I want to call insult is but no. If you know me well, you know say I not they insult anybody. I not like her. Because all bali me I don't want me person they insult me unless those way those one even though say they come out where go drink they go forget where they sleep it those one just they use my name they shout touch about mama touch about me they when near What it concern me? I send you message, you like you shout from here, go reach America. I not even see him. I be that one. No. How can you advise somebody charged with insult? I don't know. Even your own child self, you no fit advise am with insult. He go leave you for there. He go leave you for there. Even the pikin where you even born, you know carry am sit down, you just start to the insult am. How was where are the total? He go leave you for sit. He go just leave you for there. He go say, okay, you call me, may you come insult me. May I tell una one thing? Some people then think say because they don't born, their pikin don't grow. So that pikin, anything where I tell you, you must dey do am. Na lie o. No be so, You know me say you born pikin, say the pikin don't grow. Anything where I tell you, go dey do am. If you tell am say me from 4 upstairs, me from there, jump, come down, may break a leg, you go to true do am. You know, do am. Not be saying you just advise your pikin. You must dey do wetin I tell you. No. Not beyond that must. Or me bring because they to a bring where turn upside down. Oh, where not get turn upside down. You know if you can't turn upside down. So my brothers and sisters, me I live on a mona go do wetin I want do. I don't still talk my opinion. So now so it be. Now so it be. So anybody way like, may they share the video, they go. I don't tell una, so now they share and they go. One important person go just see am. You go say, Lizzie Ogbede, I need you here. That's why they happen. Even now when I walk back, I don't hear say, wait till say me tell do person bad, go come be beautiful thing. I mean, Emi no boate when I yawe, ni yanti o, ne nemi ho. E de iri e dona do hion se. Because una to do that girl. Carry video they share they go. Or mwe bog bo wa say straight. Emi yok ba be daji because o ma gwi wa hun. You no send una. You send una mo na go share am for private. O ma tamogwa. You say de dem mo na go subscribe. Na go carry. Na go they share and they go. When tomorrow now something come that person will go bring that video. Emi na iga worry where they'll say get what you do. They'll say something there where you do. Not be everybody, not be that they chook hand for your eye, you go free. I find they talking. This social media, not be everybody you just say, I go chook hand for your eye, you will go free. Some people they just because you talk to ram. Whatever. Forget that thing. Forget that thing. That make me not the lie me and they look comment. Forget that thing. Who go marry Lizzie. So do I again one thing, I don't remember this. I don't want me I even tell myself. Me I just forget. Who go marry? See you. I don't want me I just reply you. Me I forget that one. Who go marry? Who tell you? Who tells you? Why it say go marry? Why some men come? If you see one of my friends, if you see page, because they hear say they want a video of his young, but they send a message. Bring come. Send that come. What did they want use that to do? Everything I watch. Maybe one show you why I say after today they do this time. Now people, I beg Mona not make me laugh, I beg. Mona not make me laugh. Mona not make me laugh, I beg. Not be new thing, Bekus not be new things, wala wo, not be new thing. Now they carry and say like say na new thing. Your wife not get her. Your girlfriend not get her. They get her. What it on new for his side? Nothing new. Nothing new for them. Now they carry and say maybe na people there for road for them, then they walk. Una no go tell them say I'm gonna come out for road, mona go. Because some people there where they for road. Though. You did say they not they advise them, make they come out. I mean no right hoya with me. And no right hoya with me. So they will get paper for hand. They give them paper. You know they use it until they do anything. But you go if they don't dark, you go road. Nothing say not they. It there now. Abi people not they advise them. Emi no ro mind no. I beg you leave that thing. Person don't tell me He say Igor we na nigbe, ikpa bore. They no fit pay better work, money for normal job. Person wey use mouth talk that one. Which advice you want can give am? See, go enter his brain, go say, okay, me I come up for you. So now be that one. If you advise people, you know me say go take your advice. If you like, now wait till they in mind, you go say, okay, me I do one. If you not like, if you go from here, chat, go reach America. He not send you. He not send you message. He not send you. Now so my brothers and sisters, more na enjoy na say me I live on a happy weekend again. Anyhow when you talk, this one say many me I tell now no say that time na when we did Nigeria, when woman go born, they go say he born full current, na be man. When he go born girl, they will say he born a shower. I be not be so they talk on that time. So all this a shower of a thing, not be new thing if they talk on. Not be new thing. Put that. Now waiting they call you. Try to change your brain. What you write for your name? Say, oh God, I beg. That name where you will put for them. Try to change not now people they marry people where they do blue thing put for house. Now people they marry them put for house. I beg. I mean not say we na very egbe. So now be that one. No more na they I don't know as I talk. More na they use on sense. If not 100 gbe ya una body. You advise am, it take. You not take, you forget. Even your pikin self, you not come talk say, since you don't they do this thing now, you not be my pikin again. Ija, one way everybody where they for this abroad, their mama don't talk. They tell them those people where they go, where see they go wrong, they will say you not be my pikin again. Oh yeah, what you see, yeah, what agbeliya, it makes sense. It not make sense. It not make sense. It don't make sense, my brother. It don't make sense. If na your sister, who will accept her, no be journey. Just so. If na your sister, who will question. If na your pikin, the same thing. Because so time if you come to disturb her too much, she go tell you say, "Na my life I dey live." Once person don't tell you like that, especially where be say you were senior and the advisor. Who be a bad man of your hand, boy, ya who be be? You go say, na my life I dey live, live my life for me, If you can't talk too much, you go come baff you with insults. Not the truth. What do they call you? Truthful joy. You want me I block you? If you want me I block you, make another useless comment. I will just block you straight. Because that your comment are not buying. If you want to talk to one person, not they say Edo people. You hear? If you want to talk to one person, you fit talk to one person. Like me now, if you say some Edo, then they useless. I they carry. I go say some Edo, then they useless. But when you go come say Edo people, I'm not buying. Not try them again. You just say some of them, not be Edo, because Edo with many. Me, I from Edo. You understand? So if you they use and they use some of them, when I mean some of them they are evil. Yes. Some of them they are evil. Why some of them still good? I know I can't tell you say why you talk like that, but if you just write and say Edo people. You know see, I beg bro. Now their country with day, Joe. I don't feel talk. No, say some people where they here where they watch me now, they get brain where. A brain of young sharp. Some of them they not get. Some of them they not get. They'll come they insult you for pay. They'll come they insult the girl. If you insult and waiting. Okay, now make you they talk like that. You know they Europe now. You know say people where they Nigeria. Now see they use No, you not reply me, Sha, because if they talk to another person, you say you not there for Europe. Okay, because you not there for Europe. If you like, you there for Nigeria. You know, say light not there Nigeria. We they enjoy for this side with light. You not see. Mona wake up. Mona not they do anyhow. Mona not they do anyhow. Some people waiting that they do near wa will lay your worst. You know, say person will bring you come out now. They will come to gbeme. The one where they do hide. I don't fit tell una. So men go hold pikin for a wife. Go no me go join une. Una think say not dey go hold pikin for and go say me go break on since work not dey. Now my brothers and sisters, so not true, not the truth. Some women they will come out for the country where they will go another country go they do am. They'll go another country come they do am. You know the wetin they do. Now your husband say now. He not dey, not be person marry and put for us. Why so done here? Wanna leave that side. Na person put am for house. So I'm marry you. Why? Am I when I know? We know the work where they do. Put am for house. But now even they send her say may go. Not be good thing, oh. Not be say I send a good thing. Now that one I was past. Then this one will not even get husband. Be my go join when boyfriend. Na so na person wey bring me I don dey when person dey say this person you be ashawo, this one you be ashawo. Wetin be ashawo? Wetin be ashawo? I no even know sef wetin be ashawo. I fit talk and say when that time when they born, when you're born girl, they say you born ashawo, you don't born ashawo. When you born man, there's one a full current. And so they call your fellow human being say you be ashawo. That one not be insult sef. Anything where you like. Not be insult. Because the time when they born and they even don't talk and say na ashawo. Not so now. My brothers and sisters, more than the respect on yourself. Only that one I get to talk. If person put something for private, why ya mona go not go the carry am? Ne boy gbeluwa. Mona not go the carry and go the share. Not tell na say mona can't share. The one where they do for life, you go say share the video. Una go they share that one. Una you they share and they go. The one where put for private, you not tell na say mona can't share am. Wana share here. Then why con? I will zuo no makon. Awa zuo no makon. Wa kon wa mwere wa mugboto. Wa mwere wa na mugboto. I don't even know how to talk to some of people. They're not the year. If you talk out for a year, go come out for the other side because their brain don't they leak. Because brain where they leak. Brain where don't they leak. Anything where you put for them. Oh, twekwa. If you put anything where you put, now so you go the leak come out. No, na they fool on herself. Now na fool on herself. Not be she fool herself. Now fool on herself. You just be like people now. Now no say for waiting they call. I think na Belgium then they do and be na Holland. I don't know. Whether they stay for inside mirror, whether they stay for there. What did they do for them? Then they play. Then they play for there. Now no say that they pay tax. I beg you. So my brothers and sisters, I beg. Mona go wise. Mona go buy brain. Mona buy sense. What if you buy? Mona go buy sense. And before now they come out, so now come one advice person. Mona no they come out like say you with the person and don't quarrel. Now don't quarrel. So now you want beat that person. Mona no they do am. Nobody be baby. If you come out, you want advice person, you are doing in a mature way because you they mature. That person still mature. Some people just come and you say, if I see you, that's why I go beat you. Oh, woman. They're not the woman, not the beat woman. Woman, not the beat woman. Agbi now they talk. Go say if I catch you, we go fight. And they like women when they talk like that. Say if I catch you, we go fight. Not tell woman say if I catch you, I go beat you. Who you want beat? Because you go they beat and go they look you. You no. Not be who get power. Now go carry mark go us. So now I be down one, my brothers and sisters. And I mean, I know the advice person like that. Say, if I catch you, the day where I go catch you, I go beat you. Who you want beat? No, I beat. even do you anything, no, not do you anything. What he do you, not do you anything, just because of say you not like a video. You want the thing they make me dey laugh. And you see the video where you do, I not like am, so I go beat you. I beg. You wear? Huh? You wear they talk that thing. You wear, you not wear. Because person where you wear, not they talk like that. Not they talk like that, oh. Huh? Oh, you not see. I beg my brothers and sisters, many men like this girl well because they don't tell their wife, say, see the way when no agbe very yoni bukhane. Agbe very yoni. Not true, eh? You go say my beg agbe very yoni. I fear very yoni. You know, say some women they don't just born one, they call the tie wrapper. They call the wear boba. The one we rich na yala no woman. The one where they go call the tie wrapper. Every day, you know, when they do as they do before. Not true, eh? So women just if you don't born, you don't do husband has. I work bonfo. I give you a short sneaker. I give you a name. You need to they wear those things. May your husband see they look. You say, oh, you still be like the time where I felt, the time where I knew know you. Who egbe ya ati your hair? What ati your that phone where you know? Let me say you can't wear a pa, you can't wear this thing. What do I wear now? All this wetin our grandmama dey wear that time. Eje gbo bi wa owa dere we owa dere Elizi ogbedo we gbo na ye gwa lo. Una no know. See una we gbo na we can don ge address very na fear ge very na me. We fear ge if you dey shake am for your husband, dey shake am. Oni afia we can fian. Let me say you go come wear that boba, you come wear and go the rich grand. You know they look you again, they cry. This guy open some of women eyes, eh? Not be like you open her. Someone at the